According to the Billionaire Tycoon, the business will be prepared to accept orders in 3 to 5 years. What functions can this robot perform? You could be shocked if you watch everything. The business unveiled Optimas, a new humanoid robot, during its 2022 AI Day celebration. He described the prototype as a crude development robot that took 6 months to complete. Welcome back to another exciting video from Informed Now. Today's video is about first Tesla humanoid robot just hit the market. Before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Tesla Endeavor. Its effort to design and build mass-market robots that perform activities would test in its facilities at Tesla's Palo Alto location sets itself apart from other manufacturers experimenting with humanoid machines. Musk could present the prototype robots to position Tesla as a leader in fields like artificial intelligence rather than just a manufacturer of high-quality cars. An experimental test robot with exposed cables and circuitry that Tesla claimed was built in February gently stepped out onto the platform at the 2022 AI Day on September 30th. Turned and waved to the cheering Audi. The business also showed a video of a robot at a production facility in Tesla, California, performing routine chores like watering plants, moving boxes, and lifting metal bars. The business then showed a second prototype on stage but had to admit that it wasn't quite ready to walk despite having a better appearance thanks to Tesla actuators and a battery-powered control system. This prototype was closer to the final product. Musk gave the robot's name. He predicted that in a few weeks he would be able to walk. He continued by saying that there was still more work to establish Opt. In 5 or 10 years, the Optimist will be extraordinary. Amazingly, he concluded, Tesla produced the 2.3 kW battery pack that powers the next Tesla bot. Which direction? Weight, 73 kilograms. Its torso supported them. Engineers from Tesla and Musk discussed how they reduced production costs by designing the robot's features, like how the fingers function. Musk stated that their objective was to produce a functional robot in the shortest possible time. The driving assistance system in Tesla automobiles, powered by AI, was created by software developers. Opt will use this AI. Instead of employing driving maneuvers, they will prepare the robot's AI for life in the real world. Musk claims that he hopes these robots can assist with easy jobs. Optimus, before giving them responsibility for human customer errands like grocery shopping, by recruiting them to work in his Tesla plants, he intends to put them to the test. Musk, who has previously explored the risks of artificial intelligence, believes that the widespread use of robots might transform civilization and usher in a time of wealth and freedom from poverty. Since the project was announced in August, there have been a lot of positive comments on social media about how quickly Tesla is creating its product. Since the time a white-suited person impersonated a humanoid robot in STEM last year, other companies have also developed humanoid robots. Boston Dynamics Atlas is a robot that can jump and backflip its way around a golf course. Musk claims that even if those other robots are great, they lack autonomy, are pricey, and are only manufactured in limited numbers. He intends to create many Optimist autonomous robots that can be sold for less than $20,000 each. The $20,000 was selected by Arizona State University robotics professor Reba Mori. This is a fantastic idea since humanoid robots now cost about $100,000. He saw a discrepancy between what they had said and their inferred goals, which indicated that they still had a lot of work to do to improve on their quickness, agility, and steady walking at the previous years. Musk lies down in front of the crowd as a robot. The early humanoid robot design proposal by Tesla, even though Optimist research has come a long way since then. Critics, like Henry Rebel, I think Tesla is still a long way from being able to sell it. Some people contend that Musk needs to give more evidence to support his assertion that the robot can do everything he says it can. It is based on the demos from AI Day. Others have spoken up as well. According to Tom Ridden, executive director of Mass Robotics, a nonprofit business incubator, there are better ways to create a low-cost, effective robot than building a robot with a humanoid form factor and size. Musk has a lofty vision for technology and is convinced that it will radically change our lives. Tesla's humanoid robot, rather than the market for electric cars, would eventually turn out to be the most profitable component of the company, according to Musk's prediction made a few months ago. People would comprehend the significance of the Optima in Tesla's first quarter statistics release, he said, in years to come. Musk expressed his surprise that no one was aware of the scope of the Opt robot project. Anyone with brains or ears would understand. He was sure that Optus would be more valuable than a car and even go beyond fully automatic driving. That was his firm opinion, he said. At Tesla's AI Day, a corporate-wide tech event, Musk first described the robot in the summer of 2021 and explained machine learning. He announced while a performer wearing a robot-like bodysuit was hauled onto the stage and forced to dance in front of the audience. He said the goal was to create a tool to lower labor costs. Musk added that the robot was designed so that people might overpower or overcome it in the case of a malfunction. While you see optimists, Musk has previously expressed worry about the dangers posed by AI. "No such thing as Terminator nonsense," stated Musk, "because everyone will verify everything twice to make sure it is secure." According to Tesla, the robot would be 5 feet 8 inches tall and weigh 125 pounds. It has a 5-mile-per-hour peak speed on its face, a 45-pound carrying capacity, and a 150-pound lifting capacity. A helpful information screen will be present. Earlier this year, Musk granted Optimus precedence over other hotly anticipated Tesla projects, like the Cybertruck pickup and the Tesla Semi. But it's still unclear whether Tesla will be able to keep its word to Musk. Earlier this year, an AI researcher, Mary Marcus, told CNBC that he thought Optimus would only live up to promises by 2023. It is ludicrous to say that within the next 2 years, a robot that has never been seen in public will perform all human tasks. Tesla has been working for years, yet he has yet to accomplish a single mission. Driving precisely correct, robotics professionals, investors, and analysts whose opinions Reuters sought out expressed skepticism about Tesla's ability to achieve scientific advancements that would justify the price of all-purpose robot use in homes. Conclusion: and in other places, they already have hundreds of robots working for them built to make their automobiles. The Hyundai Motor Company and Honda Motor Company's Boston Dynamics division have been producing Tesla humanoids for a while. Similar to self-driving cars, robots have trouble adjusting to unforeseen circumstances. According to Sean Esme, the dexterous project manager at NASA, creating autonomous vehicles was more complex than everyone had thought. The process of building humanoid robots is comparable. Reuters may need help to remain flexible and agile when something unforeseen happens. Additionally, at an autonomous presentation in 2019, he promised to roll out 1 million robot taxis by 2020, but he still needs to follow his promise. During the competition, his robots could display several vital abilities. Still, experts believe it would take more work to live up to the public's expectations of machines that can function on par with people. Nancy referred to a human systems engineering professor at Arizona State University. For Tesla to succeed, it will need to show off robots performing various unplanned acts. Such proof might increase Tesla's stock, which is now down 25% from its peak in 2021. If necessary, she says that it has already been done, which makes the robot move or dance not exactly stunning. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.